dog world. It's a dog world. What are you singing? It's a dog world. A dog world? Yeah, a dog world. It's a song. It's not a dog world. Then what is it? It's a dog-eat-dog world. Dog-eat-dog world? What does that mean? It means to be in a situation where people would do anything to succeed, including hurting each other. That's pretty savage and brutal. And that's why it's called dog-eat-dog world, because people would do anything, including things that are immoral or unethical. I get it now. Dog-eat-dog world. Well, thanks for correcting me. It's a dog-eat-dog world.